Hey guys, today I'm going to make some beef jerky in my dehydrator. So let's get her done. I've got a beef bottom round roast here. This one's sliced, so it says carne asada. So any type of lean beef will work well for this. This was $5.89 per pound, 2.73 pounds, so it was $16.08. But I usually just try to find lean cuts of meat that are pretty inexpensive. I've used fattier cuts of meat like chuck and stuff, but that makes kind of greasy jerky, so I prefer you know, the fairly lean stuff. Let's see if I can just cut it into strips with the scissors. It seems to work pretty good, and then just cut the fat off the end. Make nice little even strips about like that. Alright, I'm not sure if I'll use all of this or not. I might save a couple steaks for something else, but let me get it all cut up like that, and then I'll make the marinade. I saved 2 steaks for something else, so that's probably about 2 pounds of meat. So now I'm going to make my marinade. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of soy sauce. There we go, and 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce. This comes out a little slow, so probably should have done this beforehand. Come on, come on. But yeah, half and half, so if you need more, just if you have more meat, just use a little more of each. So, alright, 1/2 cup of Worcestershire, there we go. And then I used to use individual spices for this, but I'm just going to use the Johnny's seasoned pepper because it kind of has everything I like. So besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. That makes it pretty easy. Put a fair amount of that, and also some cayenne pepper for a bit of heat. I like it a bit spicy. And we'll kind of get this all mixed together. Then I'll let this marinate for, I don't know, I'll just kind of keep an eye on it. I'm just going to let it sit on the counter and marinate for a little while. You could also put this in the fridge overnight if you wanted to, but I'm just going to do a pretty quick marinade here today. It's been about an hour. Now I'm going to pull this out and put it on this plate covered with paper towels just to soak up the excess marinade. This dehydrator is a Bestek brand. The company sent it to me for free about 4 or 5 years ago, and I've made a few videos with it, but I kind of put it away and forgot about it, and I've just been using it more lately. Since I moved, I kind of dug it out, and I've been using it a bit. I've even tried doing some apples and pears and things on it because there's a lot of fruit trees around here, so works good for that. So anyway, there's about 9 trays like this. So I'll just start filling them up. Okay, there's one. And grab another one here. They just go in there like that. Works real well. It seems to dehydrate pretty evenly. You don't really have to move stuff around much. So I'll just get all these trays filled up and we'll get it turned on. This all fit on 4 trays, so I could actually fit quite a bit more in here, but maybe it'll dehydrate a little bit faster that way. So just slide that in there, and it has this plastic door that goes right on the front here. Now I'll turn this on. It's set for 10 hours. I'm not sure how long it'll take, so I'll just set it at that. And the temperature is 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as high as it goes. So 10 hours at 158 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll see how that goes. It's been 2.5 hours. Let's check on this. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to grab a piece and give it a sample here. It's not done yet, but sampling along the way is half the fun. kind of chewy because it's not quite done, but man, this has a lot of flavor with that pepper and the cayenne pepper. Has a nice kick to it. I guess I gotta let Annie sample it. She's going nuts over here. Barely even chewed it. I'm just gonna end the video right here. I'm not gonna wait another 7.5 hours for that to finish up. It won't look much different. It'll just be a little bit drier, but it'll taste the same. So I don't know if they still make that dehydrator or not. I looked on Amazon and I couldn't find it, but they make similar ones. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients I used in my marinade in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.